Hello guys, how are you today? My name is Abdul Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to continue our previous video, and in this video, we are going to update our data from database, and we want to show snack bar when we successfully update our data. So let's open our previous project. So first thing first, we need to open our category screen and we scroll to the edit form dialog and we see right here, make sure we have updated this text widget to update, and we scroll to the onPress method, and right here we need to say, so before that make sure we have declared our global variable and we assign with this. Alright, and then we need to change our controller. Alright, so we have assigned category name with edit category name controller. So this to make our data to be persistent or not duplicate. And after that, we see we declare category service, but we see save category. So we need to say update category. And we see warning because we haven't yet create this method in our category service. So we see create method and it automatically navigate to category service. So we give comment right here. After that, we make our method to be asynchronous. And inside our method, as usually, we need to return. We want to return, and we make a method. We name it as update data. So we see warning again. So we can create method, and it's automatically navigate to repository file. And we give comment again, and we give two parameters right here, table, and the second is data. And we make our method to be asynchronous, and inside our method we initialize our database as usual. We say await database and we call update method, and we see table, and the second parameter is we call data, and we say we use where ID, and then look like this. So we back to category service, and we need to provide two parameters right here. The first one is our table name. Just copy and paste right here. And the second is like the save category, which is category.category map. Alright, so let's go back to category screen again, and let's run our app. And let's go to categories, and let's edit our categories. Let's say personal, and let's change this to an update. And let's see. And now our data is updated, but it's not real time. So we need to check in get all categories inside category screen and go back to edit category. And I think after we pop our navigator, we call get all categories. And I think we don't want to print our result, and hot reload or the start, I think. And let's go back to category screen, edit our personal to-dos, and update it. And now our data updated real time. And let's change this personal to-dos. And now our category list updated real time. And let's edit again. Update. And now our data is updated. And I think we want to add another feature. Let's say when we have successfully updated our data, we want to show something like snack bar. So firstly, we need to create global key, and we say global key, and we say Sqflite. After that, we name our key as, let's say, global key, and we assign with global key, and we say Sqflite, look like this. Alright, and the next step is we go to our Sqflite widget, and in the above of our aba, we say key, and we call our key, which is global key. And the next step is we need to create a new method, and let's say we name it as show success snack bar. It means then we have successfully updated our data, it will show us success. Alright, and inside our method, we create a new variable. We name it as snack bar, and we assign with snack bar, and for the content, let's say message, and we call our global key and current state, and we say show snack bar, and we call our variable, and we see this method isn't reference. So we need to go to update button. Update button is this. It's in edit form dialog, and I think we say show success snack bar, and we say update it. Alright, and let's restart our app, and let's go back to category screen, and let's try to update something. Let's say personal, and I want to update to be personal to-dos, and update. We don't see anything, so let's check in run. So I think we see unhandled exception. Type string is not sub type of type widget. So I think inside our show success snack bar, we should provide text widget, and inside that we say update it. And let's restart our app again, and go back to category screen, and let's update again our personal to-dos to be personal, and let's update, and we see updated. So we must provide text widget as parameter of show success snack bar method. Alright, so I think that's enough our video today. See you on the next video.